What's going on, everybody? Coming at you guys with another one. This time, just like the title says, guys, I'm going to be searching for some hidden gems there. Sorry if you're the little one behind. He's just woke up from his nap there, trying to get him settled. So hopefully everybody in the building is ready to go over a couple different things, man. You guys already know I generally cover just the overall market and a couple hidden gems, you know what I mean? Some D's and plays. We look at some alts. So there's a wide range of what we kind of go over on this channel. Recently, I put out a post trying to find some more cryptocurrencies to get into pretty heavy. And I already know what point in the market we're in right now. We're in the point where you kind of accumulate, you find those good projects, you sit and you allow yourself to be able to get those amazing gains from being able to hodl good projects with good communities and good dev teams and stuff like that. There are the D's and plays. I do a bunch of them, Solana, Base, ETH. So definitely look at a bunch of different tokens. Today we'll be looking at some tokens on Solana, just to throw a couple out there. Definitely located some strong communities, I feel like, between a few tokens that have been kind of hitting my comments up super heavy, showing love. So definitely we'll be checking some of those out. So if you guys have not seen my post, I think tomorrow is my deadline that I'm putting out, to where I'm gonna do an AMA for a community deep dive into the token, allow the dev team to talk and kind of explain what they have to offer to the space, to the community, why they feel like their project will be profitable in the near future or long term, or however they're kind of structuring out what they're doing right now currently. So definitely plan on getting a lot of content on the channel. Main goal is to help people find these gems early. Sub $1 million market cap is great, but to be honest, anything you're really getting in that has a chance of a long-term career in this crypto field, definitely anything under sub 5 million is amazing. So if you can get underneath 1 million or just above 1 million, then you're definitely cooking, looking really good, because some of these can really get hot and run when it comes to the bull run kind of kicking in. So like I said, I will be going over a few of them, man. If you guys have a favorite, feel free to drop them into the comments. Grind time, what's the word, man? How you feeling? We got Glenn in the building saying Marbits. Okay. We got Sir Crypto in the building, ITMT. So we'll be jumping into that too. Super strong community over there, and I've been noticing a lot of movement. It's pretty hard to get my attention. They did a very good job of doing that and kind of making me interested in learning more about the cryptocurrency over there. Grind time, putting Gotti in the building. Gotti is another sleeper, man. I definitely like what Gotti has going on in the building. Sir Crypto, man, what's going on, man? How you feeling? What's the word, man? And I've been seeing this guy posting that crypto out, man. I wish I would have got in a lot earlier, man. I was just doing too many things at once, but now I'm kind of sitting down, honing in on trying to find some gems. 37 damn months. Yeah. 37 months is crazy, Justin. Welcome in the building. What's going on, my boy? Justin Man 04 in the building. What's up? So we got what, 55 people in the building. If you guys could hit the like button, retweet, tell a friend, subscribe, whatever platform you're on, whether it's YouTube or Twitter, doesn't matter. You can comment from wherever, and I appreciate the love, guys. Crypto confident, glad you're back. Okay, yeah, appreciate that, man. I'm trying my best to rise. Right now I'm doing every other day. I do have the kiddos, like I said, you might hear one in the background, kind of him after a nap is just like recharging him with Red Bull. So I've been trying to do every other day so far. Going forward, I will try to do the 5 days a week, just crypto content. If I get anybody that's trying to sponsor the channel, whatever, I'll do content on them, do some short videos. I'll do short videos on the market and just things I feel like coming in the coming near future there. So we'll see how things end up going. Let me pull this up, run through this, and then I'll get into those gems we were speaking about earlier. So right now, current state of the market, we're looking at 3.3 trillion global market cap right now. Not too horrible, has definitely declined. I did tell you guys that the decline was coming. It did look super bullish. I'm not gonna lie to you. So if you said that I was full of shit during that period of time, I'm not blaming you, because it did look super bullish. Just going into last week, it looked like we could have broke some of those resistances and took off. I told you guys that I felt the opposite was coming. So you guys kind of let me know what your point of view is, what you guys felt about the market. But I felt this downturn coming, and we're pretty much to the range that I said we're going to get to on ETH, and almost on Bitcoin also. So we'll see how it turns out. But right now, Bitcoin is $92,497 on a 24-hour period. We're looking at 2.6% down on a 7-day. We were green on a 7-day. Now we're down 4.5% on the 7-day. Ethereum, 3,222 buckaroonies right now for Ethereum, down 3.1%. On the week, we're looking at 6.3%. Ethereum has been taking a beating currently right now. So, man, definitely hitting hard on the Ethereum side. XRP, I was hoping to get around that $2 range again anyway. Gotta definitely DCA on that one. So just scrolling through, kind of looking at them. Finally broke underneath 200 on Solana, 185. We're getting to those good buy ranges. So if you're not scared of the market, if you're willing to dive in on some of these really good cryptocurrency and get some of these good deals, man, don't let the bloody market scare you. This is nothing but opportunities that are kind of opening up. So, like I said, I just wanted to briefly just dive into the market. We normally do something within the market. We do have some people showing up and showing out for these different cryptocurrencies. Definitely appreciating what's going on, Arnold. What is it? Capsule. Okay, so we got a couple other people riding with it. Okay. See you guys in the building. Definitely appreciate you guys for showing up, showing out. I will check a couple, probably a couple other contracts on the back end of the transmission here, man. But I already got a few that I'm going to be pulling up, already ready to go. We're going to check out some websites. We're going to check out the Twitter, see if the dev team is actually putting out updates, see how active they are. We're going to be kind of checking just what the sentiment of that cryptocurrency looks like, along with the chart, see how strong that is, see if we get holders holding these different cryptocurrencies. You can definitely have a lot of people basically saying that they're supporting, but are they holding? Do they want to see it grow? Are we DCAing? What does the community look like? Yeah, just marking doing what it do. Yeah, man, up and down, man. Yeah, so you gotta expect that up and down motion. So I already expected it. I got different ranges that I wanted to buy different cryptos at. Okay, in the meantime, yeah. No, this is one of the ones that I'm gonna be looking up. This is one of the ones I don't want to ruin it right out the gate, but yeah, this is definitely one of the ones that I'm going to be looking up. I'm actually pretty bullish just from the brief overlook that I've done just of the information. Appreciate that, Nicole. Appreciate that $5 super chat. Definitely appreciate it. But yeah, this community right here, solid. Looks like they're definitely going to be one of those cryptocurrency communities that you're going to start seeing all over the place. I couldn't believe how deep they came on the post and how quick it was. It was actually pretty amazing. But let me dive into this. All right, so previously I was showing you guys 3 different ranges that I thought were possibilities for Bitcoin to kind of land at 9 times out of 10, just because of the downtrend that we kind of kicked into. I was showing you guys long term. Overall, we're still bullish on like the week and month time frames, which are great. Still looking bullish there for the week and the month. So let's go month chart. Month still looking bullish, but you can see that we're coming to a small downturn right now currently. So let me go back to the day. Bam, pull up the day. So my original, which is what this gold line was, my original range that I thought we were going to reach was around 89 to 90K on Bitcoin. And I thought that's where we would possibly bounce and consolidate at. I was explaining around, it was either this candle or this candle. I can't remember which one we were talking during, but we needed to hold this green line, which was our previous support level. We did not hold this range. It actually ended up losing it. So we got a soft level of support right here around 92 that we're kind of teeter-tottering at right now. But if the market continues to push down, I think that the range that we could possibly hold, if we don't go up a little bit lower, like 87, pop back up or something like that, and kind of keep this range, would be like 89 to like 90K. It's probably where we're going to get some sideways action, and kind of teeter-totter in between this 94, which was the 94K support, which probably be our resistance at that point, and then our support at around like 80 to 90K. So we may trade in between that. So normal pullback. I definitely, like I said, that's why I keep trying to show people. I know the red is scary for most people who are new, but if you look at it on the long term, we're still super damn bullish and holding some good ranges as of currently right now. So to my knowledge, there's nothing really to be worried about. Just really good ranges to buy in, especially if you're looking at like some small caps to start running when the market starts to move or whatever. Good times to DCA when you see that blood in the market, just on these shorter time frames. So gotta definitely, like my boy Sir Crypto said, zoom out, understand that we're still super bullish right now. Yeah, there's a pullback. Some people might have bought the top. I mean, it's just what happens in cryptocurrency. 30% is normal to bull. Yeah, of course. But yeah, so you gotta pay attention to those factors and not get scared and run and kind of lose your positions. ETH around the same thing. I told you guys that this 3200 was probably going to be the range that it came down to, kind of smack down to around that range, a little bit lower than that range actually. And that's where we're currently trading. Worst case scenario, once again, my yellow line is like my worst case, where I feel like things could possibly pull back and in the pocket that we were previously trading in, with the red line being the resistance and green being the support. So could possibly trade around 3K. I was saying in between 2,800 to 3K on ETH, but that's still super bullish in my eyes, to be honest. I don't really care either way. This is just more opportunities to buy around this range, so I can be in profit around this pocket in this range, and then when it breaks, I'm more than in profit at that point. But that was just like I said, I like to briefly go over just the overall market so people can understand when we start looking at smaller caps or just alts and stuff like that, what's kind of going on and why it's going on. So let's get to this one, because in the meantime, so this one has been on my radar for a little bit. I've been asked to look at it for a little bit. I actually was a little bit behind. We're looking at some tokens that I was supposed to be looking at, and man, I'm actually mad about this one. Great community forming behind this one. It looks like they're super bullish on this cryptocurrency, and I honestly am kind of growing to a point to where I feel bullish about it myself. Just one, I like the memes that can be created off of just this brand itself. The clock is crazy. The different memes that I'm seeing put under my comments and stuff are super bullish. So I think that this is one of the main things that you need when the market's going to turn bullish. You need a narrative that can be pushed that can really stand out from other narratives. And I think that this is one of those narratives that can possibly like catch fire and start to move a little bit. And this is all my personal opinion. This is not any way, shape, or form a paid review. This is strictly just because the community came out, they show love on my post, and I want to show love back by giving my honest opinion about what I feel about the cryptocurrency. You guys will see me do this on multiple projects. So just scrolling through their post, kind of just looking at their tweets and stuff like that, and seeing how active they are. They are active. They're retweeting things. You can see some of the different memes people are putting out. And that's something that you want to see, and that's super bullish to me. Just seeing that they're actually posting things. Their posts are getting some type of engagement. People are retweeting them, engaging with them. So that's good to see that the community is out and trying to make a name for themselves and kind of build during this build up period of the market. So super bullish there. I like that. Then if you actually check out the website, which full screen it so you guys can kind of see the whole website. Easy access to the contract address, which is right up top. You can join the Telegram, which I'm sure you can get into there, get some more information. There's probably some bullish people waiting in there just to give you some info. Links to the Twitter, another link to the Telegram right here. I like the animated things on the website, kind of stands out, makes you kind of bring your attention and your eyes to the website, which is great. Once again, another access to the contract address, which gives you access to buy if you're interested in it. Then just straight to the point. What the fuck is in the meantime? And not to bypass it, but just to look at the website address is cool too. www.inthemeantime.sucks is crazy to me. Like I pay attention to detail. I like the website is funny to me. Then if you actually go through the narrative, it's funny. It actually brings you into it. They have a Medium article that you can go to, that you can pull up, and then just kind of scroll through, get a feel for the website, what they have going on. And I think this website is really like what you expect when you go to a meme website. Like there's some fun to it, then there's some information. It gives you all of the links right up top where you need them instead of having to look all over the page for them. Those are things that are actually needed, regardless to people who kind of feel like they're needed or not. Even just joining the Telegram, like this is one of the main hubs for cryptocurrencies. So I would scroll through, read the narrative, kind of look at the time map, not the roadmap. Look at the time map. I kind of love how this is like a crinkled piece of paper that it looks like they made the plans from. It's like, nah, we're not gonna do it. No, we're gonna do it. We're bullish on this type of ordeal. But it shows you about where you're at this point right now. So they're underneath that $5 million market cap. So they show you what they've already checked off. I guess apparently they've reached the $2 million market cap where they've already knocked some of these things out. So 5 million is their next target. Then they got 10 million, 30 million, 50 million, 100 million. So they have different ranges that they plan on reaching, which having those mental goals really helps people kind of get to a target. When you're in a crypto and you don't know how high or where it's going to go up, or you know what I mean, sometimes you get a little bit antsy. They have just kind of mapped out goals to where more things are going to happen, so you don't have to ask when this, when that. They give you listed targets and it looks like they've been accomplishing them. So definitely bullish on that, to see things checked off on this list, and it's multiple items on each range of market cap and goal they kind of hit. So that's super bullish to me. I like this once again in a meme like fashion for their roadmap or their time map, if you will. So I like it. So like I said, this is just a general overview. I may or may not do like just like a deep dive if I'm like super intrigued on it or whatnot. We'll see what the cards hold. Maybe I'll get some videos out for this for you guys to kind of simplify some of the information for you guys. So, and let me jump in the comments too. Good overview. Yeah, appreciate that, bro. Appreciate it. In the meantime, is at $1.3 million market cap. Yeah, so I'm gonna look at the chart for you guys too. Become a millionaire at this level. Okay. Love the support you guys got coming out. Let me see. Dominance out, it's time to lock in. Development in full swing. Okay, we doing it. Let's go. Opportunity knocks. Let's do it. Okay. We have a privacy swap, no KYC, no wallet connect, tap game, and more. So you guys essentially have a gamification to this token also. Okay, that's dope. So a bit of a gamification. I don't know if you earn the token or not, but like I said, possibilities are endless with me doing some additional content videos, kind of breaking down in depth what you guys have to offer and stuff like that. If you guys win the contest from the post that I put on Twitter, for the people who kind of respond the most underneath that post, I'm only going to do an AMA. The dev team is more than welcome to come on. I do my research. I have a set amount of questions that I'll ask, and they'll be able to come on, kind of give their spiel, their background, or whatever they want to give to the community, or if they have just a bullish member of the community that wants to come up and kind of be a representative for it, I'm more than open to that. So built by the devs with no community donations. Oh, that's always nice to see. Nice to see some money behind the project always. So let's jump into that into the chart that we were just speaking about. So currently right now, reading by Dex Tools readings, we are at a $1.29 million market cap right now on it's in the meantime. I gotta use saying that, in the meme time. I like it. So 1.29 million. Liquidity's looking healthy. You got 137k in liquidity. That's not bad. One of the takes for me will be probably the volume, where you see a lot of tokens with this downtrend that we've had in the market right now. Their volume is a lot lower than 40k in a 24-hour period. So that's bullish within itself. I would have been satisfied with this downtrend in the market with it having the community like it has. If it would have had around 15 to 20k in 24-hour volume, I wouldn't have been mad at that. But it's actually double what my initial expectations were for the daily volume. So that's definitely something that I was paying attention to. It looks like they're going more so towards the organic holder count. You'll see a lot of different cryptocurrencies kind of fluff up their holder count a little bit by airdropping a bunch of tokens to different people. It might be like 5 tokens all at once, but it's more or less just to get the holder count up. This looks like a more organic holder count number. So, and you can kind of tell stuff like that by kind of looking at the holders and kind of going back to like the last pages and seeing like how many people actually hold tokens. You still have wallets that have no tokens and stuff like that, but then you'll start to get to a point to where you'll go over it and it's not hundreds of wallets with just 0 tokens in it. So that's bullish. I like that part. Yeah, overall the volume looks good. The chart looks like it's holding around this range that it's at right now, which is good. It looks like it's traded the most around this range, and it's at where about resistance would be at. So even if it consolidated around this range, squeezed in, and then broke out from around this range, this is still a really good it looks like to me a good buy-in opportunity. Not financial advice at all. If you did miss the run up here, it looks like it is going to try to find a range to consolidate and then possibly break out. So it's got some good volume. So no gimmicks here. Okay. Hey, I'm not mad at it. I like the organic build, because if you have 700 organic holders, that means that you should be able to hold your floor pretty well if you have that many people that are bullish on a project and willing to be a holder of it at an early time like this. So $1 million market cap is not too high to buy in. So I know a lot of people will probably have liked to buy in around this range or so, but this is to me still a super bullish price. It's not even at a penny yet. So anytime you can buy underneath the penny, you got close to $1 million market cap right here. So these are good ranges. It looks like it still wants to go up. Maybe a consolidation in this period, just because the market's a little bit wishy-washy over the next couple of weeks. But I think as the market gets bullish, this is probably one of the projects that will probably remain bullish with it. So just from the sentiments of what I'm seeing, I have not been in the Telegram as of yet. I will probably join up and see it, what the sentiments is in the Telegram. But they have a lot of things going for them. Even got a YouTube, a TikTok. So people understand that YouTube is still a forum to get your information out. Twitter is still a way to get your information out. Instagram, TikTok, all of these good ways to get your info out. And let me see if the video actually plays or not. I don't know if you guys can hear the video or not, but this video was actually pretty hilarious to me. It might not play because I didn't preset my audio. So I'll probably play it next time I come on if you guys did not hear the audio. But the video was actually hilarious. It looks to be about somebody cheating on a chart pretty early. But if you go through their link tree, which their link tree is located on their Telegram. I'm not the Telegram, their Twitter. So I think it's posted right up. It's right up top here. So Linktree has a bunch of information from the Medium article, their website, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. So a bunch of ways to get in contact with them or just understand the community. All socials have been monetized to go back into the chart. Oh, okay. Well, that's unique, and I like to see stuff like that. So if the YouTube gets more videos on there, the cryptocurrency gets bigger, the TikTok gets bigger. I mean, all of it could create revenue, even the Twitter. So that'll be a interesting concept to see how much that actually drives as it starts to get bigger and bigger. So definitely, like I said, just a general overview. Just looking at the token from the outside looking in. This is really like my first time like scrolling through and kind of looking at all this different information along with you guys. I will do some more looking when I'm off of the screen, but this was to me just a brief overview for me to see if this is something that I can get behind and get bullish on. But so far, looking at the chart, seeing how the community comes out and shows out, I definitely think this is something I can get behind. So, and it's looking, I believe last time I did a count up, you guys were winning on the AMA side too. So I don't know if you guys, the dev over there is frequently in Twitter space and stuff like that, or will be easy to contact. But if you guys do win by tomorrow, I'll try my best to get in contact with the dev, or if you guys have a community rep that you guys want to utilize, I'll be glad to get somebody on that knows like the ins and out of the project. Like I said, I'm just overviewing and kind of looking in and seeing what I see. But if somebody actually knows it and is willing to answer some questions and get on here with me, I'm more than willing to set that up. I'll promote it on my page, and we can get an event set. Most definitely. But other than that, another one that I think you guys already know that I've been pretty bullish on is Bits. So Marbits. 2Bit launched his own token, kind of gamifying it and monetizing his own brand, actually being able to bring different cryptocurrencies in and kind of run the marbles games to earn also. So it's been definitely an interesting experience and kind of building things out. This is the website. You guys can scroll through. I actually got a disclaimer popping up now. It's cool. So you can get to their DApp. I think it's like 10,000 Marbits to actually join a race. They have different pools, and you're actually able to win some ETH. So you're not winning their cryptocurrency, their native token, but you do win some ETH. They've done $500 pools, $1,500 pools, $400 pools. So the pool amounts vary, but they do them every Sunday, and it's just a great opportunity to get in there and have some fun during some networking opportunities. They're building out and putting some more things out there. So some cool things are coming, some partnerships and such. So you guys will definitely see more about Marbits. But this is another chart that seems to be holding well. And I mean, in all honesty, I think that support's being held well. The community is starting to DCA, as you can see. The downtrend kind of hit right here, consolidated for a bit. Now it's starting to move up and hold different levels. So right now it's kind of wrestling with this $700,000 market cap range, but it was previously over $1 million, and I actually think that this can get beyond that $5-10 million market cap with more adoption and kind of as 2Bit kind of expands his YouTube channel and his net worth. In a sense, it's going to keep building and kind of snowballing into more opportunities as they keep building out on this. So super bullish on this one too. I actually think this is going to be an interesting opportunity for people to kind of dive in and get in early. The concept is building out, their dApp's building out. You get your ETH directly from the dApp, so you don't have to wait for the developer. If you win, you win. I think you can buy as many marbles as you guys want in the race. It's actually really interesting seeing him commentating the races and doing the different things that he does. So it's pretty cool just watching how this is unfolding and building out and kind of building support as the market is still declining rapidly at this point. So hopefully, like I said, we hold that 3,200 to like 3K range and start to consolidate and push up from there. I see a lot of smaller caps running at that point. Once the market starts to move forward, there's more money kind of flowing throughout the market. So yeah, most definitely. Got a couple tokens that I'm bullish on. There's some other ones that I'm bullish on also, like Brian was another one that I've been watching for a little bit. Actually ran. Let me pull up the contract. Brian actually ran to a $9 million market cap and then declined to, I think it's at like between 2 to 3 million right now. What is that? 2.35. So this one has been interesting to watch. Literally ran out of nowhere. This was a good time. It actually went a little bit higher than this. I don't know why Dex Tool is not showing it, but hit about a $9 million market cap, then declined. So it's been teeter tottering, but this is kind of what you can look at for some of these other cryptocurrencies that you saw trading around specific ranges, and then it kind of popped around there. So in the meantime, could possibly do something like this. I can see, especially with the solid community that they have built, because that's all this was, just a solid community got built. People were bullish around it. The market was just at the right time, and bam, it was the perfect ingredients to kind of propel this token. So I can see a lot of different tokens doing this, but in the meantime, I definitely see Marbit's catching some motion. There's a few others that I kind of dip and dabble in, and then some that I get off of launch pads and such like that. So I'll probably just have a just completely decent stream to kind of go back over the Ape Store. Maybe I'll invest in a couple and stuff like that. Give you guys some opportunities to see what I'm getting in and out of, but mostly I'm looking for projects that I can sit a little bit down and it actually be beneficial to DCA when it has dips, or just the movement up from the community building. I could just keep kind of riding a couple projects up like that. I've already been through the bull, the bear, so I'm kind of just bullish on some of these downtrends because I know they're temporary downtrends in areas to DCA and collect. So if you're not DCAing and collecting in some of these downtrends, you're probably going to be mad when the market does start to move. And 9 times out of 10, that's usually how people end up buying the top. They get FOMO. They waited too late to buy in, and the project starts running, so they buy the top. And yeah, the story just continues. But I think that as long as in this market, as long as you have a narrative, a bullish narrative that people can run with, that's got to be the one thing. You got to have a bullish narrative that people can run with, people can make memes from, or create funny videos, or just you being able to do like a 1 to 5 minute pitch on the project is just straight to the point. Like, this is memeable. We have this, and this, and you know what I mean? Things make sense. So pretty much like this meme with memeability, a swap, and a tap game. So pretty much in the meantime has a swap that they're able to utilize, a tap game that in some way, shape, or form kind of gamifies the token, and memeability as far as just the meme and the brand itself. So definitely what I would call a full package as far as cryptocurrency, especially going into this market with the volume that we're going to get. So I will definitely be watching this one. I'm gonna go ahead and favorite it so I can find the chart and kind of watch where this goes over time. Maybe we can clip parts of this video that I've actually done and put it towards a future video once this hits like 5, 10, $15 million market cap or so. So we'll see if we get to those ranges. But with the volume that I'm seeing right now and the horrible market that I'm kind of seeing right now, it screams bullish to me. I would like to see what the volume looks like on a bullish day in the market where we're pushing like at least 2 to 5% on ETH, and Bitcoin is moving up too. So definitely will be interesting to watch. I will be paying attention to this one. Like I said, another one I'll be paying attention to is Marbit's. Marbit's, I feel like, is a sleeper just because it's a newer concept. Newer concepts sometimes take a little bit longer to catch on, but as you can see, the structure, the floor is beginning to come in and kind of hold its place. So looks like we're squeezing in a little bit. So it'll take all of good partnerships, more notoriety for this token, and I think we can get a nice little breakout towards the upside, breaking that $1 million market cap again. So yeah, man. So like I told you guys previously in a couple other streams, I'm trying to keep these streams down to in between 30 minutes to an hour if I can. That way, if people did not watch it, they'll want to come in, watch it, and kind of see what we got going on. Check out Mystery, Matt Fury, main developer, strong community, hard working team. Okay. Yeah, that's another one I can possibly check out. I think I'm gonna wrap this one up with the information that we got. So if you guys just now are tuning in, first of all, if you guys can hit the like button for me, retweet, subscribe, do all of that cool stuff for me. Just light up all the buttons on the screen. Tell a friend that if they missed it, rewatch it, go back through it. I went through the initial market as far as Bitcoin, Ethereum. We looked at a couple of the alts that we looked at on CoinGecko. We went through the chart on oh my God, I'm having a brain fart. Trading View, went through the charts on Trading View as far as ETH and Bitcoin. We looked at Marbits as a sleeper, kind of squeezing in, giving you guys opportunities. We looked at the website and stuff like that. In the meantime, is another token that we looked at on the Sol Network. Good opportunities, about 40K in volume on a horrible day in the market. So cannot complain about that. Opportunities to get into good tokens with good communities don't come through too often. So when they do, I try my best to take advantage of those. So bunch of opportunities, and I think I already had they already had this up actually. I think I looked at this one already. It's mystery one. It actually looks really similar to In the Meantime. We got a healthy amount of volume. We got 569K horrible market. So 423K and liquidity, not bad. 4.5 market cap. So looked like it hit what? Almost like it was like a little bit over a five. No, it's about $10 million market cap, I think. I'm just guessing. Had to hit over a $10 million market cap at some point. So it definitely ran, but hit that decrease that you see, that decline. Tried to pump back up, didn't pump back up, found a place to consolidate. Now it looks like it's squeezing in. So definitely might be a good. That's probably why I favorited this one, because I saw it had an opportunity to possibly break out. So you never know. You never know. But yeah, so we've looked at a couple different things, man. So I'm gonna keep this one short. This is about a 40-minute video. So if you guys can tell a friend about it, get them to watch it up. So we got 177 people in the building. I appreciate all of you guys. Like I said, hit that like button, retweet, show a little bit of love, hit the like button 2-3 times. Well, no, never mind, I lied, because I will unlike it. Just hit it once real hard for me, guys. But other than that, I will be on again. What is today? Thursday. So I'll probably be on again Monday. So check out for my next post going out Monday. I'll be live on Twitter and YouTube with you guys again. If not Monday, it will be Tuesday. So it will be one of those days. We'll go over some more charts. Maybe we'll check back into the ones that we looked into today and see if they have made any progress at all in the market, especially if the market's moving and a bit more bullish than it is currently right now. But other than that, I appreciate you guys. You guys enjoy the rest of your night, and I'll catch you guys later. I'm out of here.